Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to cut out an outline in Photoshop. Let's get started. I apply two steps. First of all, step one. See this? Right click paint bucket tool and mode clear and click. Then remove outline smoothly. Tolerance 10%. Press enter. Okay. And step two. Step two. Sorry. Right click. Select pixels. Create a layer mask. Filter others minimum. Press on. See this? Follow. Remove outline. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment.